How to fix Twitch app error code 995F9A12 using Xbox One. Here are some tips that may help you with the Twitch app error code 995F9A12 using Xbox One. 1. Power off your Xbox console completely. Then turn it on later. 2. Access your Twitch ID from PC. To do so, log in your Twitch account, go to settings, choose connections, locate your own Xbox device, press the disconnect button. 3. Reset Twitch stream key, settings, channel and video stream key and preferences, primary stream key, press the reset button. 4. Clear alternate MAC address in your Xbox, all settings, network settings, advanced settings, alternate MAC. Then reboot your Xbox, and log into Twitch later.